I own a company called Visual Systems, and we do a lot of work in the entertainment business and the retail business, and there's a lot of visual presentation going on. And with my cataract situation, I suddenly realized I may in fact be out of business because I can't be talking to clients about some specific visual items and not have the visual acuity to actually talk about it. So I think that was the thing that scared me the most. My first eye went just incredibly well. I had the surgery. There was no pain. There was no issues. There was no post-operative problems. I remember my wife picked me up because you just can't drive after this. And we went to our favorite restaurant. And on the way there, driving in the car, I saw the sky for the first time, driving up the 405. It was this deep blue. I mean, to me, it was always yellow and bluish and polluted and looked ugly. But that day, I saw that blue for the first time. And that just really, really rung my bell. I said, this is the best thing I've ever done. I call this eye my sniper eye. The reason being it's corrected to, I think, 2015. I have never been able to see this way in my whole life. My wife will say to me from across the room, hey, what's the basketball score? And I can zoom in out on the flat screen and see that little tiny score. Recommending Dr. Devgan would be probably the easiest thing anybody could ever do if they've had an experience with him. I do it all the time. It would be something that I'd recommend in a heartbeat. I say, hey, go talk to Dr. Devgan. I saw a video testimony from Henry Winkler, and Henry was ecstatic about his results with Dr. Devgan. And I've worked with Henry, and I know what a perfectionist he is. And I realized if Henry Winkler likes this doctor, there must be something really good going on. It's your eyesight. It's something that's, I mean, close your eyes. And that's what's going to happen if things go wrong, and that's scary. You know, your eyes are just such an important part of your life experience. You've got to trust them to somebody who you trust. And I think the most immediate thing you see when you first meet with Dr. Devgan is he puts you at ease. There's some direct eye contact. He understands what you're going through, I think, because of his experience and all the time he spent with the patients. And he puts you at ease immediately, and that's the way I felt about him. To this day, I consider him a wonderful human being who gave me back my sight.